Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. Today, I'll share with you a quick snack recipe that's elegant enough to look at and tastes amazing. These are the ones I'm talking about, and I'm sure you'll agree they look really cute. The ingredients are handful and they are all laid out here, and you can actually play with the ingredients by changing just one or two of them. If you're all ready, we can get started. First, in a bowl, I'm taking some cream cheese. This is straight from the fridge. You don't even need to thaw that. And I have added some powdered sugar to that. Now give it a whisk. If you're making it for a really big batch, you can go for your electric mixer. Otherwise, a hand whisk is good enough. Now I'm going to put it in a piping bag. That way I can make sure they look really professional. Using a big star nozzle from Wilton, and all my cream cheese filling is going in. Now the fun part starts, which is making the final snack. So I have my board ready and I'm putting some Ritz crackers here and I'm piping the cream cheese mixture on top. One piece of raspberry and just a little bit of chia seed to make them look amazing. This was my quick and simple idea for making party snacks and I hope you like it. Please follow for more upcoming videos.